Every road ahead feels different, not the same. I've walked through many places, seen the world so wide, but something keeps on pulling me back with every tide. The mountains know my story, the rivers know my song. They've been waiting patiently for me all along. Every step reminds me where my roots began. Home is more than just a place, it's where I stand. The sun is shining bright, leading me with light. Every mile I roam brings me closer home. I'm going back west, where my heart can finally rest, where the laughter fills the air and love is everywhere. Going back west today, to brighter skies and better days, with hope inside my soul so free. That's where I'm meant to be. Old friends still remember every tune I played, every dream we planted never truly fades. Children laughing underneath the evening sky, teaching us that joy is never hard to find. The sunset paints tomorrow in a golden glow. Every winding pathway leads me where I know. Simple living, peaceful minds, and open doors. These are all the treasures I've been searching for. No matter where the journey goes, the strongest roots are the ones that grow. Every goodbye becomes a hello, when love is all we choose to show. Raise your voice and sing along, every heart can find its song. Hand in hand we'll always stand, together across the land. I'm going back west, carried hope inside my chest. Every sunrise, every smile makes the journey worth the while. Going back west once more, to the place that I adore. One love, one dream, one destiny, forever living peacefully. Going back west, where the heart feels free. One love, one family. Going back west. Yeah. Oh. Guide my way. One love. If I follow my mind without a caring heart, I might lose the beauty that made this journey start. Every choice I make can build or tear apart. So I let compassion be the compass of my heart. The road may twist and turn beneath the morning sun, but every little lesson makes us stronger, one by one. I won't chase shadows when the truth is shining bright. I'll keep on walking forward in the light. Every step I take for tomorrow's sake, hope will lead me through to what's good and true. If I follow my mind, let it be with love I find wisdom guiding every day, keeping fear so far away. If I follow my mind, may my heart stay gentle and kind. Together we can rise as one until the setting of the sun. Strongest voices speak with peace instead of pride, finding room for everyone to walk side by side. Every helping hand can light another flame, showing every neighbor that we're all the same. I don't need the loudest words to make my story known. Kindness grows the greatest seeds that one day will be sown. Every smile can travel farther than we ever see, yeah. Changing lives with simple harmony. Let wisdom lead the way through every brand new day. With courage in my soul, love will make me whole. When the skies are gray, hope will never fade away. One heart, one family, living peacefully. If I follow my mind, I leave bitterness behind, choosing faith instead of fear, keeping brighter days so near. If I follow my mind, I let my heart stay open wide. One love, one dream, one destiny, forever walking peacefully. Guide my thoughts, guide my way. One love, one light, peace forever. Yeah. Oh, lift your eyes, feel the breeze. Yeah. Looking at the mountains, looking at the mountains. Oh, looking at the mountains in the morning light, standing there so peaceful, reaching to the sky. They have seen the seasons, they have watched the years, teaching every traveler to let go of fear. Every river flowing starts from somewhere high. Every eagle soaring first believed it could fly. Nature keeps reminding me with every rising dawn. Even after darkness, hope keeps carrying on. Hear the whispering wind, peace begins within. Every step we we climb, one day at a time. Looking at the mountains, I can feel my spirit rise. Every peak reminds me there's a blessing in the skies. Looking at the mountains, I can see tomorrow clear. With love beside my journey, there's no room for fear. The valley has its stories, the hillside has its song. Every winding pathway has been there all along. The tallest trees are rooted deep beneath the ground. Strength is often growing where it's rarely found. Clouds may hide the summit for a little while, but the sun keeps waiting with a golden smile. Patience is the lesson every mountain gives. Take each day with gratitude and truly live. When the rain comes down, don't wear a heavy frown. Every storm will pass like shadows on the grass. Lift your voice and sing. Hope is everything. Hand in hand we'll be living peacefully. Yeah, looking at the mountains, my heart is full of song. Every new beginning makes my spirit strong. Looking at the mountains, I know the road is bright. One love will guide us onward with every morning light. Looking at the mountains, one love, one hope. God bless every sunrise. Yeah. Oh, Jah light shine, peace forever. Oh, Jah light shine, peace forever. Walking through the streets with a heart so true, serving every neighbor, looking after you. Not with fear or anger, but wisdom in his hand. Building hope together, helping every land. Every smile he shares can calm a stormy day. Choosing love and justice in a peaceful way. Standing for tomorrow where every child can sing. Unity and kindness are the gifts we bring. One voice can change the night, one light can make things right. Step by step we grow, let the whole world know. Peace officer, keep the love alive, helping every soul to rise and thrive. With a steady heart and an sun is rising on another chance. People from all nations joining in the dance. Respect for one another is the strongest shield. When compassion leads us, every wound can heal. No matter where we're coming from today, love can build a brighter, better way. Every helping hand becomes a shining flame. Different hearts together, yet we're all the same. No walls between our dreams, only flowing streams. Hope will never fade when love is what we've made. Lift your voices high like birds across the sky. Let the music say, peace will lead the way. Peace officer, keep the love alive, helping every soul to rise and thrive. With a steady heart and an open door, bringing hope forever, always giving more. Peace officer, let the children see a future built on hope and harmony. One love, one heart, one destiny. Together we'll live in unity. Jah bless every nation. Peace officer, keep shining your light. One love, one hope, one family. Oh, one life, one chance. Give thanks. I may not have a palace standing tall, but I give my best and I give my all. A little bit of sunshine, a little melody, sharing every blessing that was given to me. Some count silver, some count gold. I count every story that my heart can hold. A helping hand is richer than a crown. Lift another person, never let them down. Every seed can grow more than we can know. Love is always free, that's enough for me. I'm gonna use what I got, give it everything I've got. A grateful heart, a joyful song, that's been my strength all along. I'll use what I got today, keep moving forward all the way, with faith inside and hope so bright. Everything will be alright. When the road gets rough beneath my feet, I still find rhythm in the heartbeat. Every sunrise brings another chance. Every challenge starts a stronger dance. Simple dreams can reach the sky if you never stop and never ask why. Keep believing through the highs and lows. The strongest tree is the one that grows. I don't need the biggest name. Love is worth much more than fame. Every blessing starts so small, but together it can reach us all. Hands together side by side, let kindness be our daily guide. From every mountain to the sea, hope is growing naturally. but something keeps on pulling me back with every tide. The mountains know my story, the rivers know my song. They've been waiting patiently for me all along. Every step reminds me where my roots began. Home is more than just a place, it's where I stand. The sun is shining bright, leading me with light. Every mile I roam brings me closer home. I'm going back west, where my heart can finally rest, where the laughter fills the air and love is everywhere. Going back west today to brighter skies and better days, with hope inside my soul so free. That's where I'm meant to be. Old friends still remember every tune I play. Every dream we planted never truly fades. Children laughing underneath the evening sky, teaching us that joy is never hard to find. The sunset paints tomorrow in a golden glow. Every winding pathway leads me where I know. Simple living, peaceful minds, and open doors. These are all the treasures I've been searching for. No matter where the journey goes, the strongest roots are the ones that grow. Every goodbye becomes hello, when love is all we choose to show. Raise your voice and sing along. Every heart can find its song. Hand in hand we'll always stand together across the land. I'm going back west, carrying hope inside my chest. Every sunrise, every smile makes the journey worth the while. Going back west once more, to the place that I adore. One love, one dream, one destiny, forever living peacefully. Going back west, where the heart feels free. One love, one family. Oh, 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 guide my way. One love. If I follow my mind without a caring heart, I might lose the beauty that made this journey start. Every choice I make can build or tear apart. So I let compassion be the compass of my heart. The road may twist and turn beneath the morning sun, but every little lesson makes us stronger one by one. I won't chase shadows when the truth is shining bright. I'll keep on walking forward in the light. Every step I take for tomorrow's sake, hope will lead me through to what's good and true. If I follow my mind, let it be with love I find. Wisdom guiding every day, keeping fear so far away. If I follow my mind, may my heart stay gentle and kind. Together we can rise as one until the setting of the sun. speak with peace instead of pride, finding room for everyone to walk side by side. Every helping hand can light another flame, showing every neighbor that we're all the same. I don't need the loudest words to make my story known. Kindness grows the greatest seeds that one day will be sown. Every smile can travel farther than we ever see, changing lives with simple harmony. Let wisdom lead the way to every brand new day. With courage in my soul, love will make me whole. When the skies are gray, hope will never fade away. One heart, one family, living peacefully. Oh, if I follow my mind, I'll leave bitterness behind, choosing faith instead of fear, keeping brighter days so near. If I follow my mind, I'll let my heart stay open wide. One love, one dream, one destiny, forever walking peacefully. Guide my thoughts, guide my way. One love, one life, peace forever. Yeah. Oh, lift your eyes, feel the breeze. Looking at the mountains in the morning light, standing there so peaceful, reaching to the sky. They have seen the seasons, they have watched the years, teaching every traveler to let go of fear. Every river flowing starts from somewhere high. Every eagle soaring first believed it could fly. Nature keeps reminding me with every rising dawn. Even after darkness, hope keeps carrying on. Hear the whispering wind, peace begins within. Every step we climb, one day at a time. Looking at the mountains, I can feel my spirit rise. Every peak reminds me there's a blessing in the skies. Looking at the mountains, I can see tomorrow clear. With Lord beside my journey, there's no room for fear. The valley has its stories, the hillside has its song. Every winding pathway has been there all along. The tallest trees are rooted deep beneath the ground. Strength is often growing where it's rarely found. Clouds may hide the summit for a little while, but the sun keeps waiting with a golden smile. Patience gratitude and truly live. When the rain comes down, don't wear a heavy frown. Every storm will pass like shadows on the grass. Lift your voice and sing. Hope is everything. Hand in hand we'll be living peacefully. Looking at the mountains, my heart is full of song. Every new beginning makes my spirit strong. Looking at the mountains, I know the road is bright. One love will guide us onward with every morning light. Looking at the mountains, one love, one hope. God bless every sunrise. Yeah. Oh, your light shine, peace forever. Oh, your light shine, peace forever. Walking through the streets with a heart so true, serving every neighbor, looking after you. Not with fear or anger, but wisdom in his hand. Building hope together, helping every land. Every smile he shares can calm a stormy day. Choosing love and justice in a peaceful way. Standing for tomorrow where every child can sing. Unity and kindness are the gifts we bring. One voice can change the night. One light can make things right. Step by step we grow. Let the whole world know. Peace officer, keep the love alive. Helping every soul to rise and thrive. With a steady heart and an open door, bringing hope forever, always giving more. Peace officer, let the children see a future built on hope and harmony. Hand in hand we'll stand together strong. Peace is where we all belong. Morning sun is rising on another chance. People from all nations joining in the dance. Respect for one another is the strongest shield. When compassion leads us, every wound can heal. No matter where we're coming from today, love can build a brighter, better way. Every helping hand becomes a shining flame. Different hearts together, yet we're all the same. No walls between our dreams, only flowing streams. Hope will never fade when love is what we've made. Lift your voices high like birds across the sky. a steady heart and an open door, bringing hope forever, always giving more. Peace officer, let the children see a future built on hope and harmony. One love, one heart, one destiny. Together we'll live in unity. God bless every nation. Peace officer, keep shining your light. One love, one hope, one family. Yeah. Oh. One life, one chance. Give thanks. And then da 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 da. Oh. One life, one chance. Give thanks. I may not have a palace standing tall, but I give my best and I give my all. A little bit of sunshine, a little melody, sharing every blessing that was given to me. Some count silver, some count gold. I count every story that my heart can hold. A helping hand is richer than a crown. Lift another person, never let them down. Every seed can grow more than we can know. Love is always free. That's enough for me. I'm gonna use what I got, give it everything I've got. A grateful heart, a joyful song. That's been my strength all along. I'll use what I got today. Keep moving forward all the way, with faith inside and hope so bright. Everything will be alright. When the road gets rough beneath my feet, I still find a rhythm in the heartbeat. Every sunrise brings another chance. Every challenge starts a stronger dance. Simple dreams can reach the sky if you never stop and never ask why. Keep believing through the highs and lows. The strongest tree is the one that grows. I don't need the biggest name. Love is worth much more than fame. Every blessing starts so small, but together it can reach us all.